Hey guys, today I'll be going through the process of mounting a 2021 and newer Honda CRF450 front fender and front number plate onto your older Honda CR or CRF. A little comparison here between the style. Nice little upgrade in the looks department. So let's get to it. First things first, obviously we'll need to remove the old front number plate and front fender. Then you want to just huck these as far as you can. Now we're going to snap the fender template into the fender. The nubs go down. Just snap right in. Ooh, that is nice and tight. And then we're going to take a 3/8 inch drill bit and just simply drill right through these 4 holes here. Just make sure you're nice and straight and just go slow. So these will be your new 4 mounting holes. Just want to clean up any leftover bits there. Then we're going to bolt the fender onto the bike just using the OEM hardware. So you want to place the flange washer like so. Now on some brands of fenders, you'll notice that the fender washer is actually thicker than the fender itself. So you have a little lip right there. You want to take that fender washer out, sand it down until it is flush. If it's poking up like that and you mount it, the fender will be loose on the bike. Now the fender just mounts onto the bike just like the stock one would. So the number plate bracket just mounts up on the triple clamp like so. And then you're going to use the supplied bolt and washer to secure it in place. Let's get that thing on straight. Now this is the number plate bracket for the 97 through 2003 CR models. We're just going to thread it onto the existing hole on the triple clamp. So now we've got these 2 rubber nuts that go from the underside of the fender up through these 2 front holes. That'll hold the number plate into place. So this is easier to do when the fender's off the bike. Just push them up on through. And then just snug them down with the screwdriver. Right about till they start mushrooming right there. Now for number plates, we have a couple different options here. This is what I prefer to use, the CRF Stadium plate. It has these guards that come down and protect the forks, has an integrated brake line. They just fit a lot better. Or we have the stock style. These work perfectly fine as well. And so when you're mounting them, these 2 little nubs here will fit right into the fender, right where we installed the rubber nuts. It just pops in right there. And those nuts hold it into place. Now if you go with the cycle plate, you want to use these vinyl strips that come with the kit on your forks. That'll protect the forks from wear from the number plate. The number plate will actually wear into the fork right here. You can see this one started wearing a little bit. If I would have had this vinyl strip on there, would have protected against that. But basically these just go around like that. And they're actually just a clear vinyl. Now the number plate just mounts behind the brake line. Slip it into the fender right where those rubber nuts are. Push it all the way down and line it up with the bracket there. Fits like a glove on there, nice and tight, no gap anywhere. And the brake line guide we can fit into place just like that. Now the cycle plate just uses a zip tie to secure it to the fork. And once you get this thing zipped down, you are all set and ready to go. All right, that is it for the 2021 and up front fender and front plate conversion. Pretty happy with how that turned out. It looks good. And if you decide to do number plate or fender graphics, you want to make note of the newer style to your graphic designer so you can adjust the templates there.